So here's some interesting cymbals I got when I was in Denmark over 15 years ago. Meinl lightnings. And I got the sound edge rib around it. I got an 8 and a 15 lightning medium. I don't think they make them anymore. It's hard to imagine. They got the sound edge part taken up, already done on the hi-hats, I guess, huh? It's hard to imagine a big old ride with. So I don't really know what they made with these, but anyway, they sound really good. Great tangy little bugger. And the UFib class, can't miss with them. Some hollow. Bitchin', huh?